Welcome to Shine Bright, Mastering Lighting Techniques. Course Summary. This video will illuminate your path to mastering the art of lighting in visual content creation. In the world of visual storytelling, lighting is the secret ingredient that can transform ordinary visuals into extraordinary masterpieces. It's the silent language that speaks volumes, setting the mood, dictating the composition, and defining the overall quality of your visuals. This course summary is designed to empower you with the essential knowledge and skills to harness the full potential of lighting in your creative endeavors. To give you a glimpse of what's in store, we'll be summarizing 5 comprehensive modules from our full course. Each module dives deep into a different aspect of lighting, starting from its importance, the various types of lighting and equipment, practical lighting techniques, advanced lighting concepts, and finally, troubleshooting and problem-solving strategies for common lighting issues. The first module underscores the importance of lighting in visual storytelling, exploring how it impacts mood, composition, and overall quality. The second module focuses on different types of lighting and the equipment you need to achieve them. It also shares tips for choosing the right gear for your projects. The third module delves into various lighting techniques such as the classic 3-point lighting and the art of utilizing natural light. The fourth module takes things up a notch with advanced lighting concepts and creative applications. Finally, the fifth module offers practical strategies for troubleshooting common lighting issues, providing solutions for challenges like harsh shadows and color temperature discrepancies. Whether you're a filmmaker, a photographer, or a content creator, this course summary will equip you with the insights and skills to elevate your visuals through effective lighting techniques. It's an enlightening introduction to our full course, Lighting Techniques, Enhancing Visual Appeal and Quality, and serves as a stepping stone to your journey towards lighting mastery. Ready to shine brighter in your content creation journey? Let's delve into the first module. Module 1. The Importance of Lighting. A vital element that sets the mood, defines composition, and enhances quality. Let's delve into the heart of our course. Module 1. The Importance of Lighting. You might be wondering, why is lighting so important? Well, the answer is simple, yet profound. Lighting is the magic ingredient that brings your visual story to life. It's like the spices in a recipe, the rhythm in music, or the emotion in an actor's performance. Without it, your visuals would be flat, lifeless, and let's face it, pretty dull. When we talk about lighting, we're not just referring to the brightness or darkness of a scene. It's much more than that. Lighting is a powerful tool that can evoke emotions, guide the viewer's attention, and create a unique atmosphere. It's a language that communicates without words, a language that every content creator, filmmaker, or photographer should master. Think of a romantic scene in a movie. The soft, warm light creates a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Now imagine the same scene under harsh, cold light. It just wouldn't have the same effect, would it? That's the power of lighting. It can transform a scene, evoke specific emotions, and significantly impact the viewer's perception. Let's move on to another crucial aspect of lighting: composition. Lighting can define the shape and form of objects, highlight important elements, and create depth and texture. It can turn a simple scene into a visually stunning masterpiece. It's the difference between a 2-dimensional image and a 3-dimensional work of art. And of course, we can't forget about the quality of your visuals. Good lighting can make your work look professional and polished. It can help you capture crisp, clear images and videos, reveal details, and create striking contrasts. It can enhance colors, add drama, and create a visually pleasing aesthetic. Simply put, good lighting can elevate your work from average to extraordinary. But remember, lighting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every scene, every subject, every story requires a unique approach to lighting. It's your job as a visual storyteller to understand the nuances of lighting and use it to your advantage. It's an art that requires practice, patience, and creativity. So what's the takeaway from this module? Lighting is not just a technical aspect, it's an integral part of visual storytelling. It's the lifeblood that gives your visuals vibrancy, emotion, and depth. It's a powerful tool that can make or break your visuals. So don't underestimate the power of lighting. Embrace it, master it, and use it to create visually stunning content. Lighting is not just a technical aspect, it's the lifeblood of visual storytelling. Now, let's move on to Module 2. Scene script. Module 2. Types of lighting and equipment. The right tools are your first step towards creating a visually stunning narrative. In the vast world of visual storytelling, lighting plays a crucial role. It's not just about illuminating your subjects, it's about setting the mood, enhancing the scene, and even guiding the viewer's eye. And to achieve all that, you need the right type of lighting and equipment. Let's start with the types of lighting. There are three main categories: natural, artificial, and mixed lighting. Natural lighting is, as you might guess, the light provided by Mother Nature herself. It's beautiful, it's free, and it changes throughout the day, offering a wide range of possibilities. But it's also unpredictable, and you're at the mercy of the weather. On the other hand, artificial lighting gives you full control. You can adjust the intensity, direction, color, temperature, and more. It's the go-to choice for indoor shoots and scenes that require precise lighting conditions. Artificial lighting can be further divided into continuous and flash lighting. Continuous lighting is constant, allowing you to see exactly how the light falls on your subject. Flash lighting, typically used in photography, offers a burst of light for a fraction of a second. Mixed lighting, the third category, is a blend of natural and artificial light. It's often used to balance out harsh shadows or to add depth and complexity to a scene. Now let's talk equipment. The basic lighting kit for a content creator might include key lights, fill lights, and backlights. Key light is your main source of light, usually positioned in front of the subject. Fill light softens the shadows created by the key light, and backlight separates the subject from the background, adding depth and dimension to the scene. But the lighting world doesn't stop there. There are also specialty lights like spotlights for highlighting specific elements, and soft lights for creating a diffused, even light. And let's not forget about modifiers like diffusers, reflectors, and gels that can alter the quality, direction, or color of your light. When choosing your lighting gear, consider your needs and constraints. If you're often on the move, portable and lightweight equipment might be your best friend. If you're shooting in a studio, you might opt for more robust and versatile gear. And always keep in mind the mood and style you're aiming for. A romantic scene might call for soft, warm lighting, while a thriller might require harsh, dramatic shadows. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in lighting. It's all about understanding your vision, experimenting, and learning to work with what you have. Armed with the right tools, you're ready to explore the techniques of lighting. Let's proceed to Module 3. Scene Script. Module 3. Lighting Techniques. The heart of visual aesthetics lies in the way you play with light. This statement beautifully captures the essence of this module, where we delve into the various lighting techniques that can significantly elevate your visuals. To start, let's talk about the three-point lighting technique. This is a standard method used in visual media like theater, video, film, still photography, and computer-generated imagery. It's a simple, yet versatile system that forms the foundation of most lighting setups. It involves three types of light: the key light, which is the main source of illumination, the fill light, which softens the shadows created by the key light, and the backlight, which helps separate the subject from the background. By adjusting the intensity and position of these lights, you can create a wide array of moods and effects. Next, we move on to natural light utilization. It's all about harnessing the power of the sun to light up your shots. This technique is not just cost-effective, but also produces some of the most beautiful and realistic visuals. But remember, working with natural light requires a good understanding of the time of day, weather conditions, and location to get the desired effect. We also explore other techniques such as high-key and low-key lighting, which play with contrast and drama. High-key lighting uses a lot of light and minimal shadows, creating a positive, upbeat mood. Low-key lighting, on the other hand, employs strong shadows and dramatic contrast, perfect for intense and moody scenes. Last but not least, we touch upon practical lighting, using sources within the scene itself, like a lamp or a candle, to provide illumination. This can add depth and realism to your shots, making them more engaging and relatable. Mastering these techniques will take your visuals to the next level, but there's more to learn in Module 4. So stay tuned as we uncover advanced lighting concepts and creative ways to use light for storytelling and visual impact. Now you've had a glimpse into the world of lighting mastery, but there's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you in the full course. From the crucial role of lighting in visual storytelling to the variety of lighting types and equipment, we've just scratched the surface. We've touched upon the basics of lighting techniques, such as the artful use of three-point lighting and the magic of harnessing natural light. But there's so much more to learn and explore. Imagine delving deeper into advanced lighting concepts, where creativity meets technique, and light becomes your tool for telling stories, evoking emotions, and creating breathtaking visuals. Think about the empowerment you'll feel when you can troubleshoot common lighting issues, from harsh shadows to tricky color temperatures like a pro. Each module of the full course is designed to build on the last, creating a comprehensive understanding of lighting in all its aspects. It's not just about learning the technicalities, it's about honing your skills and refining your artistic eye. So, if you've enjoyed this brief journey into the world of lighting and want to illuminate your path further, we invite you to dive deeper. The full course is waiting, ready to equip you with the knowledge and skills to truly shine bright in your field. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your visuals by mastering lighting techniques. Enroll now! Thank you for shining with us today as we explored the course summary. Your time and attention are appreciated as we journeyed through the world of lighting techniques. If you found this enlightening, don't keep it to yourself. Spread the light by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Remember, each interaction fuels our dedication to bring you more valuable content. As you continue to harness the power of lighting, remember, you're not just illuminating your work, but the world. Keep shining bright in your content creation journey. Until next time.